My name is Derek Avrit. The VP of Engineering Services for SSI / Lord & Sons. Before we started working with BNMA, we had a very piecemeal process of working. It included various spreadsheets for organizing tasks and communication with our consultants and customers. And we were looking for a way to streamline our workflow using custom software that incorporated the existing software that was already being used at our company and add features on top of the existing software functionality. Our real concern was we are a very small team right now, but we were looking forward to grow our team in the future. People expect to have integrated software environments that they're using, and they expect the frustrations to go away after you've been working for years and you've come up with solutions to all these frustrations. And so my real fear was the frustrations I was having, we needed to find a solution to, or else people who we brought on board years down the line would wonder why we haven't fixed any of those frustrating things. And they would think that we were a less serious business, honestly, because we don't actually find solutions to our frustrations. And instead, we just deal with them and let them linger for years on end. And after doing some digging, we realized that a custom software solution was probably our best bet, given that we needed to integrate it into kind of this legacy software environment that the rest of the company was using. Since we fully adopted the live version of our new custom software, it has allowed us to think less about all of the different tasks that are on our list and focus more on just completing the tasks without having to constantly be thinking about what you might be forgetting about. This software really helps to set a standard across the board for what is expected of everyone. And essentially, there's no excuses for not being able to have visibility of things now that there's a very clear way of managing your workflow. It shows the folks that we're working with that we are constantly improving, right? It shows that we are more legitimate, that essentially if you start stepping up your communication and your abilities, it encourages everyone else to step up their communication and their abilities as well. Working with your team has been incredible. It's been a breath of fresh air, I would say. We're not used to working with people who are more on top of things than we are, I will say, in our day-to-day. Typically, we are the adults in the room, I would say, in most situations. And it was just really refreshing to work with a team that was even more on top of things, more responsive, more detail-oriented than we are, even when it comes to completing tasks, fixing bugs. At the beginning of this whole endeavor, you guys stressed that the BNMA team would be part of our team. And it really has felt like that throughout the process, where we could communicate via Slack very quickly, shoot messages back and forth to one another, screenshots, videos, whatever it was necessary to describe the issue or what our vision was. The team was very receptive to, and it's been a pleasure working with your team, and we look forward to more endeavors with creating these other functionalities in the software.